And we're live in 3, 2, 1.
I've got to go again.
I know, it's quite brief, wasn't it? Don't worry, you can come back after.
All right, well, thanks.
Just go and share, AJ. Go and share.
Number 1 on this list is Artless. Now, some of you may have actually heard of this. Some indeed may actually use it. For us, it's actually our primary source of music for videos, both that we make on our channel and for our clients. It is a huge library of thousands of pieces of music across pretty much every genre that you could want, which is obviously a really important thing for a music library that you subscribe to. It offers a subscription service, so you pay a monthly or annual amount and you have access to every piece of music on that website for the period of your license. What's nice about that is once your subscription ends, the license for the videos that you've already made is still valid, so there won't be any future copyright claims against you, even if you end your subscription. For us, it's the resource that we use the most pretty much on a daily basis. We've never run into any issues with it with regards to licensing or copyright claims. And also, we've never run out of any options for music, which is huge. The library is that big and added to daily. It just gives us constant and new options for music. Number 2 on this list is one that we've only just come across, and it's called Hook Sounds. Now, Hook Sounds, much like Artless, offers a subscription service which licenses you and enables you to download music from the library to use pre-cleared in your videos, so no copyright claims. Now, there is a caveat to Hook Sounds, a technical detail. You do have to whitelist your channel on the back end. It's just something to do in the accounts page, but it just means that they know that your YouTube channel is the one that the license is applied to. Now, the thing I like about Hook Sounds as an alternative is it offers different music and great quality music at that. The problem with the popular libraries such as Epidemic Sound, Music Bed and even Artless is that the popular tracks, the great tracks on there, are going to crop up quite often on YouTube from different creators. So having some different options that perhaps you've not heard before is actually a really good thing. And number 3 on this list, well, it's a bit of a shameless plug if I'm honest. It is the Watermelon Squad or Filmmakers Club Music Library. It is our own music library that I've created over the years, around 700 pieces of music. Now, this isn't just me showing off, it is available to any one of you out there that sign up to Patreon. We'll give you the license to use any of the songs in the library in any video you make. Again, much like Hook Sounds, it's a great alternative, I think anyway, because it offers you pieces of music that you won't have heard before and that won't crop up elsewhere on the internet. And like I say, there's almost 700 tracks in the Watermelon Squad's music library, and that crosses pretty much every genre from classical right through to hard rock. Everything there that you would need for pretty much any video, all licensed to you for any use. So there you have it. This is where we find our copyright-free music library. This is our top 3 alternatives to Epidemic Sound and Music Bed. Hopefully you find some of these useful and maybe even decide to sign up to our Patreon to get access to our copyright-free music library.
It's in the air.
What is going on?
Well, I'm just writing a new track.
Oh, God.
So, I mean, what I wanted to put across was my own track at how it could be done if you don't visit our top 3 sites for music.
Just for, you know,
safekeeping,
because no one wants to hear that.
So there, how'd you like that video?
I thought you were going to say them apples.
How'd you like them apples?
Yeah, how do you like them? Did you enjoy it? Learn something?
It was interesting, but did they enjoy it?
Do leave a comment below on any future tutorials that you want, because I'm running out of ideas. No,
I've got 3 more ideas and then I'm dry.
Dry. We're hitting the bottom of the well. We want to know what you want to know, then we don't have to have our own original ideas.
Yeah.
It's either that or I go on Pete McKinnon channel and just rip them off.
If you want to know how to do the what's up, then enroll in our linguistic course where we go through the stages that make up the sound what.
Sponsored by Skillshare.
Brought to you by our kind sponsors, Skillshare, in our step-by-step guide in how to what's up in your videos.
That would be amazing.
Should we do it? Yeah. That's pretty much the end of the video. So we've got some standard bits that we have to say now. That one, hit that one, don't hit the other one. Yeah. Write it down there.
Yeah. And Patreon.
Yeah.
Do the things.
Yeah. One thing that we do desperately have to cover is it's Friday, and that can only mean one thing. Our random affiliate link of the day. Hit the link down there and see what we've selected for you from our friends over at Amazon.
Are they our friends?
It sounds better, doesn't it?
Oh, okay.
That's all there is. So
see you on Monday for another video. It doesn't stop here. We just keep going.
Let's end it. Let's run that music. Right, ready? And then we'll give them a video suggestion, something else they can watch. Done.